Hey everyone, welcome to Rainmaker 3D. Today we are going to be discussing my own undergraduate degree, and that's electrical engineering. So, what exactly do electrical engineers do? Let's find out. Electrical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It's all about generating, transmitting, and controlling electrical energy to make systems and devices work. Whether it's building the power grid, designing electric motors, or developing communication systems, electrical engineers create solutions that shape the way we live. The roots of electrical engineering go back to the 19th century with pioneers like Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, and James Clerk Maxwell, who laid the foundations of electrical theory and technology. Since then, electrical engineering has evolved into one of the most dynamic and fast-paced fields, playing a crucial role in modern technology. So, what exactly do electrical engineers do? Their work ranges from designing the circuits inside your smartphone to creating massive power grids that supply electricity to entire cities. They also develop telecommunication systems, create renewable energy solutions like solar power, and work on cutting-edge technologies like electric vehicles and artificial intelligence. Let's break down the key areas of electrical engineering. The first area is power systems engineering. This involves the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical power. Electrical engineers in this field work on power plants, electrical grids, and renewable energy systems. Next, we have electronics engineering, which focuses on designing electronic circuits and devices. Everything from your laptop to your TV, and even medical devices, involves electronics engineering. Control systems engineering deals with designing systems that control and automate processes. Think of things like autopilot systems in airplanes or automated manufacturing lines. Those are all built by electrical engineers. Then there's telecommunications engineering, where engineers work on communication systems like cell phones, satellite networks, and the internet. To build and test electrical systems, engineers rely on several tools. For example, oscilloscopes are used to measure electrical signals, while soldering tools help them create and repair circuits. Electrical engineers also use software tools like MATLAB and SPICE to simulate electrical systems before they're physically built, saving time and resources in the design process. The applications of electrical engineering are practically endless. Electrical engineers have contributed to renewable energy, solar panels, wind turbines, and battery storage systems. Telecommunications, 5G networks, fiber optics, and satellite communications. Consumer electronics, smartphones, computers, and home automation systems. Electric vehicles, developing electric motors and power systems that drive EVs. Electrical engineers can work in a wide range of industries, from power generation and telecommunications to electronics and aerospace. With advancements in technology like 5G, electric vehicles, and renewable energy, the demand for electrical engineers is on the rise. Whether you want to design cutting-edge electronics or help build the energy grid of the future, there are plenty of exciting opportunities in this field. You'll need a solid foundation in math and physics, especially in areas like calculus and electromagnetism. Programming skills are also essential, as electrical engineers often use coding to simulate and control systems. And of course, attention to detail and a knack for problem solving are critical in this field. To get started in electrical engineering, most people earn a bachelor's degree in the field, where they learn the basics of circuits, electromagnetism, and digital systems. During your degree, you'll also get hands-on experience through lab work, internships, and projects. From there, you can specialize in fields like renewable energy, telecommunications, or electronics design. If you want to dive even deeper, advanced degrees in electrical engineering can open up opportunities in research and academia. Electrical engineering is an incredibly versatile field that powers modern technology. Whether it's developing new forms of renewable energy, designing smartphones, or building the next generation of AI, electrical engineers are at the heart of technological innovation. If you're passionate about solving problems and working with cutting-edge technology, electrical engineering might be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content from Rainmaker 3D.